Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to change PC IP to connect with the Nexto Xpress PLC via Ethernet port. To download a project from Master Tool to the PLC, you need to change the IP of your computer's Ethernet port. In Altus controllers, a project is downloaded via the PLC's Ethernet port. The PLC IP address can be seen in the Net1 field. Select Net1. Altus controllers, by default, have the IP address 192.168.15.1. So, if the IP address range of your computer's Ethernet port is not in this subnet, we need to change it to the same network as the controller to load a project. So, to make this change, we must minimize the tabs and enter the Windows environment. Left-click the network symbol and select the option, Open Network and Internet Settings. In the upper left corner we will select the option, Change Adapter Options. Let's double-click and select the Ethernet port. We will look for the IP protocol version IPv4 option in the list and double-click it. This is the current address of the Ethernet port. Note that it is 192.168.100.10. So we have to switch to the same subnet as the controller, which is 0.15. However, we must choose a different address. So if my PLC is 192.168.15.1, we know we can choose 192.168.15.2. Enter the new address. We can also change the default gateway to be on the same subnet. Let's put 0.15. Enter the new subnet. Select the OK option. Finally, select the OK option again. Now our computer is already on the same subnet as our controller and ready to upload a Master Tool project to the PLC. So, this was our 10th lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.